G'day everyone, welcome to my backyard. We're doing a video on our all my tomato plants, an update, and it's there you go, that's what they look like at the moment. Now the biggest ones I think is that one there and that one there. They're probably about a foot and a half high. There you go. And Steve is playing with the ball here, but you can see we've already got a few flowers there. Try to get close to that. So flowers, so we might have a few little tomatoes coming up, but the rest of them are still pretty small. But it's winter here, so if I just move over here you get a better look on this side. So let me just go backwards. There you go. I'm trying to get away from the, so you can see what they sort of look like. My shadow, sun's right behind me, but usually they sit in the it's a bit windy as you can see, not sure how windy, but usually they sit in our greenhouse, which is over here. Sorry about the sun glare. This is the greenhouse, or the hothouse we have. So we've got bricks all over the side because the wind will just pick it up and take it. As you can see inside, a couple of bricks on the shelves, and we just put them here at night, and yeah, it keeps them sort of relatively warm. On a sunny day it heats up fairly nice in there, but today is a bit windy. Not much clouds around, but yesterday we had a fair bit of cloud, but a bit of a breeze. As you can see, the washing on the line there is just moving around a bit. But yeah, so tomato plants are looking pretty good. Sorry about the shade again, once again, my shadow, because I'm right behind, but as you can see, tomato plants are doing pretty good. This one here is the best one of the lot, about 1.5 foot high, and there you go, you can see probably a couple of flowers there. There you go. But Mum said we might put a bit of fertilizer on it and see how that goes. They'll either turn yellow. So this one here is turning a bit yellow down the bottom, the leaves, and I think it's just due to the cold. They're just turning a bit yellow. They haven't had that much sunshine. Today's a little bit windy, as you can see they're moving around a bit, but I thought, oh well, let them get a bit of sunshine, a bit of bright light. But that's it. That's an update of the tomato plants in winter. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to get notifications, and take care everybody. Thank you.